Should I buy it? How to use it? Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to install and start using Wacom graphic tablet. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, then subscribe it. So this is my graphic tablet and I'm going to connect it with the USB cable. Here it is. And it is connected. Once the light will turn on, it will indicate that graphic tablet has been connected perfectly. So now we will search the website for installing the driver. Go to Google, search wacom.com/start/1 and scroll it down. You'll get the steps. Here are the 3 steps. Step 1 we have done already. Step 2, download and install the driver. I've done it before. And once you install it, you have to restart your laptop to work it very perfectly. You'll get all the instruction videos uploaded by Wacom only. So you might not be facing any issue while using this. So you have to pay attention one thing very carefully, that the workspace is this only, 6" by 3.7", and the rest of the area is for the support of your hand. It works very smoothly. You can draw anything. It is also pressure sensitive, so if you apply more force, then it will work accordingly. So you can also use it for teaching purpose. You can write anything, like I'm writing 1 by Wacom. But you can see I'm not facing any problem while using this. Like, write anything, draw anything, you can do anything. It's perfectly friendly. Like, I'm going to show a basic drawing, so anything, just to demonstrate. Like, let's make a bird. So yeah, if you haven't liked my video, then press the like button and also subscribe my channel, because I'll be making videos related to fashion stuffs, creative videos, illustration related, and many more which I even don't know. So it will be fun.